So, today, I want to talk about how you can be a professional Laravel developer. Before getting started, please subscribe to this channel and give a thumbs up to this video. The first one is OOP, as you know, is so important, especially in most frameworks and most programming languages that are implemented by OOP. Especially Laravel that we are talking about is so important to learn it really deeply. If you want to master Laravel, you actually have to learn OOP deeply before dive in Laravel. The second one is service provider. Service provider are the central place of all Laravel application bootstrapping. Service provider is a concept that mostly the important part of Laravel works with. If you open your app file in your config directory, you can see some providers. And if you know this section very well, you can actually implement your service provider in future. The third one is service container. As Laravel documentation says, the service container is a powerful tool for managing class dependencies and performing dependency injection. Service container is a concept that related to dependency inversion and dependency injection. Laravel has a really powerful container in its core, and you have to learn it. The fourth one is contracts. Laravel contracts are the set of interfaces that define the core services provided by the framework. It actually reduces the dependency between the services. It helps to the core developer of the Laravel to implement the interfaces and develop their services. It's like develop your cache system just for yourself. The fifth one is job and queues. It's really important to learn how they work and how to implement jobs and queues on Laravel, because it helps you to write async codes in PHP, and it's so important to write async codes in PHP. So learn it really good. The sixth one is Eloquent. Eloquent is regarded as LaravelORM, and it makes enjoyable to use your queries and connect to your database. And it's worth mentioning that you should learn Query Builder as well. The seventh one is testing. Testing is really important in every single application. You should write tests for your application. It doesn't matter what language are you working with, but Laravel gives you a lot of facilities to implement your test. If you don't write tests for your application in Laravel, you actually are making excuses. The eighth one is packages. There's a lot of packages for Laravel, and you can use it to develop your application so much faster. So you can find all the packages you want to develop your projects in Laravel community. The 8 things that I mentioned is the most important things in Laravel, in my opinion, and you should learn it to become a professional Laravel developer. If you want to master Laravel, you actually have to practice, learn, and practice and learn. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Catch you very soon.